It can be difficult to get the job you want, the housing you need, and the automobile you want when you're just starting out. Because individuals need to have strong credit in order to be considered seriously by lenders or credit providers. These milestones become much more challenging. Thankfully, there are credit cards made especially for those who are not familiar with credit. If you can demonstrate that you can use these cards responsibly, almost anyone can be authorized and create credit really rapidly. Prioritizing timely payments should be your first priority, but there are other tactics you can employ in your quest to establish credit. You'll notice a noticeable increase in your credit score if you manage credit cards sensibly. This is a terrific opportunity for you to establish a good credit score if you have low credit or no credit history, so it's important that you weigh your options before applying. Let's get into it, shall we? Discover It Student Cashback. The introductory offer. Discover is the only bank offering new cardholders an unlimited cashback match. At the conclusion of your first year, Discover will automatically match all of the cashback you have earned. Thus, $50 in cash might be converted back into $100 or exchange $100 in cash for $200. There is no upper limit on incentives or minimum expenditure, only a dollar-for-dollar equivalent. Get up to 5% cashback on regular purchases at various locations you frequent, such as supermarkets, eateries, petrol stations, and more, every quarter once you activate. Additionally, automatically receive an infinite 1% cashback on all other purchases. You can always exchange your prizes for cash. Applying does not require a credit score. Discover can assist you in minimizing the online exposure of your personal data by assisting with its removal from specific people search websites that may profit from your information. Use the smartphone app to activate it for free. And there's no yearly costs, and cautious use will help you improve your credit. 0% introductory APR on purchases is valid for 6 months, after which the 18.24% to 27.24% standard variable purchase APR kicks in. The next pick is the Chime Credit Builder Secured Visa Credit Card. To apply for a Chime Credit Builder Secured Visa Credit Card, you must first open a Chime checking account and receive a qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more. Your employer, payroll provider, gig economy payer, benefits payer, or an automated clearinghouse deposit or original credit transaction must make the eligible direct deposit. A secured credit card that might assist users in establishing credit is the Chime Credit Builder Card. There are no yearly fees, no credit check requirements, no interest, and no minimum security deposit needed to apply. Make contributions to your credit history with your own funds. You can use the money you transfer into your Credit Builder protected account to make purchases with your card. There is no minimum deposit needed. Enable safe credit building to ensure that your monthly payment is made on schedule every month. TransUnion will receive an activity report from Chime, Experian, and Equifax. Use your secured Credit Builder credit card for all Visa acceptable transactions, including regular expenditures like groceries and gas. No interest. Out-of-network ATM withdrawal fees and over-the-counter advance fees may apply. No minimum security deposit. Money added to Credit Builder will be held in a secured account as collateral for your Credit Builder Visa card, which means you can spend up to this amount on your card. This is money you can use to pay off your charges at the end of every month. Next up, we've got the Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. No yearly or unstated costs. Check your approval in a matter of seconds. Establishing your credit. It could be beneficial to use the Capital One Platinum Secured Card sensibly. Start with a $49 refundable security deposit to receive a $200 initial credit line. If you use your card responsibly, that is, by paying bills on time, you might be able to get your security deposit back as a statement credit. In as short as 6 months, you can be automatically considered for a greater credit limit without having to make any extra deposits. With $0 fraud liability, you can relax knowing that you won't be held accountable for any illegal charges. Use Capital One's CreditWise to keep an eye on your credit score Everyone can use it for free. With Capital One's mobile app, you may access your account from your PC or smartphone and have 24-hour 7-day access to it through online banking. We have made it to the final 2 picks. Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Credit Card. You can earn an infinite 1.5% cashback on every transaction, every day, with no yearly or hidden fees. Check your approval in a matter of seconds. To obtain a $200 first credit line, pay a $200 refundable security deposit. Establishing your credit. Using such a card sensibly could be beneficial. With $0 fraud liability, you can relax knowing that you won't be held accountable for any illegal charges. If you use your card responsibly, that is, by paying your bills on time, you might be able to get your security deposit back as a statement credit. In as short as 6 months, you can be automatically considered for a greater credit limit without having to make any extra deposits. Get the lowest rates on thousands of travel options when you book hotels and rental cars through Capital One Travel and earn an unlimited 5% cashback. Conditions are applicable. Use Capital One's CreditWise to keep an eye on your credit score. Everyone can use it for free. Through November the 14th, 2024, take advantage of up to 6 months of free Uber One membership statement credits. Next is the Capital One Platinum Credit Card. There's no annual or hidden fees. See if you're approved in seconds. In just 6 months, receive automatic consideration for a larger credit limit. With careful usage of a card like this, you can help establish your credit. $0 fraud liability gives you peace of mind by removing your liability for unauthorized charges. Take use of Capital One CreditWise to keep an eye on your credit score. It is available to everyone for free. With Capital One's mobile app, you may access your account from any computer or smartphone, anywhere, at any time, via online banking. Using a contactless card allows you to check out swiftly and safely without having to touch a device or give your card to a clerk. You can complete the process by simply holding your card over a contactless reader and waiting for the confirmation. Choose the monthly due date that is most convenient for you to pay with a check, online or in person at a local branch. All methods are free of charge. In a world where credit seems to be a crucial component of financial stability, many individuals find themselves worrying about not having a credit history. While having a good credit score can open doors to various financial opportunities, it's important to understand that not having a credit doesn't necessarily mean you're at a disadvantage. In fact, there are ways to build a strong financial foundation without relying on credit, and having credit cards is just one piece of the puzzle. The concern about not having credit often stems from the fear of limited financial options. People worry that they might face difficulties when applying for loans, renting an apartment, or even securing certain jobs. However, it's essential to recognize that having no credit doesn't equate to having bad credit. Instead, it signifies a clean slate, providing you with an opportunity to shape your financial story from scratch. While having credit can be beneficial in various situations, it's not the only path to financial success. Individuals without a credit history can establish their financial stability through responsible money management. This includes creating a budget, saving money, and making timely payments for utilities and other bills. By demonstrating financial responsibility in these areas, you can build a positive financial reputation without relying on credit cards. In the absence of a traditional credit history, alternative financial tools can become valuable allies. Secured credit cards, for example, allow individuals to make small deposits, which serve as collateral for their credit limit. This can be an excellent way to dip your toes into the world of credit without the risk of accumulating excessive debt. Additionally, some lenders offer credit builder loans, specifically designed to help individuals establish or improve their credit history. Another way to ease concerns about not having credit is to take advantage of educational resources and financial counseling services. Numerous non-profit organizations and financial institutions provide workshops and counseling sessions to help individuals understand the importance of financial literacy. These resources can guide you in making informed decisions about your finances and provide valuable insights into managing your money effectively. While living without credit is entirely possible, there are undeniable benefits to having credit cards when used responsibly. Here are some reasons why credit cards can be valuable financial tools. Responsible use of credit cards allows you to build a positive credit history. Timely payments and low credit utilization contribute to a higher credit score over time. Credit cards can serve as a financial safety net during emergencies. Having a credit card with an available balance can provide peace of mind when unexpected expenses arise. Convenience and security. Credit cards offer a convenient and secure way to make purchases, especially online. They often come with fraud protection, minimizing the risk of unauthorized transactions. Many credit cards offer reward programs that allow you to earn cashback, travel points, or other benefits. Responsible use of credit cards can lead to valuable rewards over time. Some rental car agencies and hotels require a credit card for reservations. Having a credit card can make travel arrangements and bookings more straightforward. Tips for responsible credit card use. If you decide to venture into the world of credit cards, it's crucial to use them responsibly to maximize their benefits and avoid potential pitfalls. Here are some tips for responsible credit card use. To avoid accruing interest, strive to pay your credit card balance in full each month. This practice ensures that you reap the rewards without accumulating debt. Keep track of your credit card transactions regularly. Monitoring your spending helps you stay within your budget and identify any unauthorized charges promptly. Establish a monthly budget that includes your credit card expenses. This will help you manage your finances effectively and prevent overspending. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions of your credit card agreement. Pay attention to interest rates, fees, and any potential penalties to make informed decisions. While credit cards offer convenience, it's essential to use them wisely. Avoid unnecessary purchases and only use your credit card for planned expenses within your budget. In conclusion, not having credit doesn't have to be a source of worry. By embracing alternative financial tools, focusing on responsible money management, and taking advantage of educational resources, you can build a strong financial foundation. While credit cards can offer various advantages, they are just one aspect of a comprehensive financial strategy. Remember, the key is to approach credit with caution, using it as a tool to enhance your financial well-being rather than a gateway to unnecessary debt. By combining financial responsibility with strategic credit use, you can navigate the complexities of personal finance and build a secure future. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Happy credit building, and until next time, goodbye.